Dogs are family. Their nails are small, but if ignored, they can cause discomfort, pain, or even injury. That's why knowing how to safely trim your dog's nails at home is a must for every dog owner. Today, we'll cover everything you need to know to trim nails at home safely and confidently. First, let's talk about why proper nail trimming matters. Overgrown nails can make walking painful for your dog, change their posture, cause nails to catch or break, or even lead to joint problems over time. A simple, regular trim helps your dog stay comfortable, healthy, and prevents long-term problems. Before ever taking a clipper, get your dog used to having their paws handled. Touch and gently massage their paws and toes regularly, even when you're not planning to trim, so they get used to that sensation. At the same time, let them sniff, see, and get familiar with the nail trimmer or grinder without using it. This creates a calm and positive association. When you do pick up the tool, pair it with treats and praise. This way, trimming becomes not something scary, but part of their routine. When it's time to trim, always use a proper dog nail clipper, not human nail trimmers. Ideally, a scissor or guillotine-style clippets. Human clippers are too weak and can crush or split a dog's nail. Lift one paw at a time. Don't try to trim all nails immediately. Gently press the pad to extend the nail so the nail is visible. For dogs with light nails, you might see a pink part inside. That's the quick, which contains blood vessels. You must avoid cutting into the quick. The safe method: cut only the very tip of the nail. For dark nails, where the quick is hidden, cut off just a small bit. Better to undertrim than to risk cutting too far. If your dog's nails are very long because trimming was skipped for a while, don't try to cut them all short at once. Instead, trim a small bit every few weeks. Over time, the sensitive quick will recede, and the nails can be gradually shortened safely. This slow approach reduces risk of pain, bleeding, or discomfort. After clipping, use a nail file or emery board or a pet nail grinder to smooth any sharp edges. Rounding the nail tip prevents snags, scratches, and reduces risk of cracking. For dew claws, the small nails inside the paw, don't forget to trim them too. They often don't wear down naturally and can overgrow. If you accidentally cut too far and hit the quick, don't panic. It happens. Use a clotting agent, like styptic powder, or if nothing else, cornstarch or flour to stop the bleeding. Press gently on the nail tip for a few seconds. Then reassure and comfort your dog. If bleeding continues for minutes or appears excessive, contact a veterinarian. Keep sessions short and calm. If your dog seems anxious or stressed, stop. Gradually build up, maybe one nail today, 2 nails next time, until trimming becomes a natural, stress-free routine. Always reward calm behavior with treats or praise. With patience and consistency, most dogs will tolerate, or even accept, nail trimming without fear. Finally, how often should you trim? It depends on your dog's activity level and how fast their nails grow. A good general guideline is to check nails every 2 to 4 weeks. If you hear nails clicking on hard floors or you see nails extending beyond the paw pads, it's time for a trim. Regular maintenance prevents overgrowth and keeps your dog comfortable. With the right tools, gentle handling, and a calm, patient approach, you can trim your dog's nails at home safely without pain or stress. It might take a little time and practice, but once your dog learns to trust the process, it becomes just another part of their care. Nothing to fear. Give your dog the comfort, safety, and care they deserve. Nail trimming doesn't have to be stressful. It can be part of a loving routine.